The unseen victory. In the small town of Eldridge, sports were more than mere games. They were an emblem of community spirit. Every year, the Eldridge Cup attracted athletes from neighboring towns, but this year was different. The whispers of a prodigious talent named Maya had ignited a fervor unmatched in the town's history. Maya, a quiet girl with a penchant for track, had trained in solitude, her dedication overshadowed by the town's focus on its star football team. Yet, as the day of the Eldridge Cup approached, her resolve became palpable. She envisioned herself darting down the track, the wind slicing through her hair, each stride echoing with a promise of triumph. On the day of the event, the air crackled with excitement. The football team, adorned in their vibrant jerseys, garnered the crowd's attention, but Maya remained an enigma, her presence scarcely acknowledged as she stood at the starting line. As the whistle blew, she surged forward, her legs propelling her ahead of the pack. The rhythm of her heart synchronized with the pounding of her feet against the track, a symphony of determination. With every lap, doubts faded, replaced by an unwavering belief in her ability. Crossing the finish line, Maya not only claimed victory, but shattered preconceived notions about talent and recognition. The crowd erupted, their cheers resounding like thunder. In that moment, the town realized that greatness often lies hidden, waiting for the brave to unveil it. Maya's triumph was not merely a medal around her neck. It was a testament to the power of perseverance, inspiring others to seek their own unseen victories, both on and off the field.